In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon customer support for refund. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Being logged in lets Amazon pull up your recent orders automatically, which saves a lot of time during support. At the top of the page, look for Account and Lists. Click it to open your account hub. From here, find and select Customer Service. This is Amazon's dedicated help center, and it's the best place to reach support for order issues, returns, and refunds. On the customer service page, you'll see options to choose your issue. Since we're focusing on refunds, look for categories like returns and refunds, problem with an order, or a similar option. Select the order that needs attention if it appears, and choose the reason that matches your situation, such as item arrived damaged, wrong item received, or refund not received. Picking the most accurate category helps route you to the right team and can speed up the resolution. If the suggested help articles don't solve your problem, look for the option that says, "I need more help." Click that to move past the automated guidance and connect with a real support channel. Now you'll have two main ways to reach Amazon: start chatting now or request call now. If you pick chat, you'll usually start with an automated assistant. Briefly explain that you're requesting a refund and include the order number or item name. If you need a human agent, you can politely ask to be connected to a representative. Chat is great if you want a written record or you're somewhere you can't take a call. If you choose Request Call Now, confirm your contact number and submit the request. Amazon typically calls you within a minute or two. When you're connected, clearly explain what happened, the order you're referring to, and what resolution you're seeking. Keep your order details handy so you can answer any verification questions quickly. The agent may outline next steps like issuing a refund right away or arranging a return label if the item needs to be sent back. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Have your order number ready. Describe the issue briefly and clearly, and avoid sharing sensitive payment details. Amazon won't ask for your full card number. Finally, save any emails or chat transcripts for your records. That's it. By following these steps, going to Amazon, opening customer service, selecting your issue, choosing I need more help, and then using chat or a call, you'll be on your way to getting your refund resolved.